Hi, welcome to Mommas and Mannies. I'm your host, Trina. This is a short form podcast for mamas that are looking for a quick burst of me time. But before we get started, happy holidays! And don't forget to share this episode with another mama that is looking for some great holiday gift ideas. Also, this episode is going to be geared towards the people around you. So, this is going to be about gift giving for you as a mama. So, if you have a partner, a husband, a spouse, whatever, get them to watch this episode. So, send them this episode and let them know these are some great gift ideas for mama time that you are looking for. As always, we're going to start the episode off with a motivational quote. This week's motivational quote is: we all fall off track. The goal is not to stay there too long. Don't let a bad day turn into a bad week or month. And I think this was a great quote, or this is a great quote, since we're wrapping up the end of the year and getting ready to go into a new year. So just remember that if you had a bad year, or even if December has been a bad month for you, or just the holidays in general, don't take that negativity into the new year. Start off on a fresh foot. And I even challenge you actually right now after watching this episode, start off on a fresh foot. Don't wait till New Year's Day. If you have something that's negative or something you want to change that's not really sitting well with you right now, go ahead and take that change now. So think about that. No negativity for 2024 or the rest of this month. But guess what time it is? It's mama time. This week's mama time is going to be about the gifts that you will receive as a mama. So, as I mentioned earlier in the episode, share this with a person that is responsible for getting you gifts, whether that's your kids, your siblings, aunts, uncles, whoever that may be, your spouse, partner. Share that with them to let them know these are some gifts that I do want to get. So I have five gifts with the extra bonus. So you have to stay around to the end for the bonus. And I just want to talk a little bit about each gift to kind of explain. Some of them are self explanatory, some of them may need a little bit more details. So the first one is a gift card for a mani and a pedi. If you don't want to do a gift card, give mama some money in the envelope. Do it like old school. This is how I used to get my Christmas money. When I was younger, my dad or my mom would put money in an envelope and hand it out to us, which is all good. No problem with that. So you can either get a gift card, this was before gift cards, or just give them money to get a nice mani and a pedi. Not the basic mani and the pedi, but the manicure where they massage your feet, your legs. They got the where you get the soak, the mud bath, whatever they call it. I think they call it a mud mask. The mud mask on your legs and that nice warm towel. So go for the upgraded manicure. And for the pedicure, since I don't, excuse me, for the pedicure, go for the upgraded pedicure. For the manicure, since I don't actually go to the salon to get my nails done, you know what that looks like as a mama if you get your nails done. As the partner or the person giving the gift, if you don't know what that looks like, take the time out, try to ask them what their favorite nail salon is. Visit that nail salon if they have a website or an IG page. Visit the site, see what's the upgraded manicure and pedicure so you'll know how much to give to them. And then on Christmas morning, say, hey, this is for a mani and a pedi, just for you. Number two, give them a gift card or funds for a facial and a massage. So you want to find a nice spa that um, treats their guests very well. You may want to find a spa that has some extra goodies, like if they have water. I haven't had a facial in a while. And I'm trying to think, I've only had a massage. Well, I've had a massage more than once, But the one I'm thinking about, I think, like the usual place, they have water, they may have like snacks or something like that. So get them a gift card or funds for somewhere that is relaxing, that's going to set the atmosphere, the tone. They have relaxing music, lighting is dim or comfortable lighting. So that's also a great gift. A gift card, excuse me, our facial, excuse me, a gift card or funds for a facial and a massage. I'm saying and for one and two, not just one. So we're trying to make sure that mama has some great mama time, not just a 10-minute mama time. We want to make sure she has a good 30 minutes to an hour just to herself. Number three on the list is a nice perfume or parfum. I think that's how they say it. So something nice. Let's take it up a step from the Victoria's Secret and the Bath and Body Works. I love a good spray for both of them, but let's take it up a notch. Let's do the high quality, stays when you spray it, it can stay on you for 2, 3 days. If you spraying it on your clothes or your jacket, it's going to stay on that. I know sometimes when me and my husband travel, we'll try out perfumes and colognes at the airport. And sometimes they're really high end perfumes out there and colognes. And I know I cannot think of the cologne we just did recently, but my husband sprayed it, and we actually, it wasn't at the airport. I think we went to the mall, walked around in that particular city. It was on his coat. I think he put it like on his wrist, so it basically rubbed up against his coat. When we got back home after taking a whole flight, you could still smell that cologne on his coat. So get something like that. Beyonce just came out with a new scent. Um, right now, I can't think of anything else besides Beyonce. But it's a lot of great scents out there. Again, look around. Um, if you can look in their perfume collection now, see what they have, see what's running low, and go ahead and upgrade or refill that perfume that they have that's going out right now. So that's number three. Number four, this is a big one. Four and five are big ones. Number four, a no cook dinner for a week. So for a whole week, um, if you are also a cook in the household, it's no problem. And also a caveat to this, if you don't have any food in the house or it's time to go grocery shopping, take care of the grocery shopping too. So do your grocery shopping and cook for the entire week. Whatever that looks like for you. If you're not a cooker, find somewhere that does pre prepared meals. I'm trying to think. That way, if you don't cook, it's a few places here in Atlanta where you can actually just go right into the place. They have meals that are basically in an oven safe container, like shrimp scampi, fettuccine alfredo, and they have sides and everything like that. Go and get that. And then take that home. If you don't cook, they give you all the directions, because I did this when I had my second daughter. We got a few meals. You can put them in the oven, take it out, voila, dinner is served. If you are a cooker in the family also, go ahead and cook all week. And that's all meals. Prepare breakfast. If your kids take lunch to school, take care of that, because that's what your mama in your life was doing. Whether that's your wife, sibling, whatever, it may be a little bit different for siblings, of course, or other people that don't live in the house with you. That may look a little different. If you do still want to do that and you don't live in the house with that particular mama, you can always get a gift card. Do like a gift card to Publix, Kroger, Walmart, Friends, Myers, whatever, wherever you live at in the country, get a gift card. Then that way, because just about every grocery store, especially after the pandemic, they have prepared meals at the store. Sprouts, Whole Foods. So let them do that. Just basically take that cooking responsibility away from that mama. That's number four. Number five, this is also a big one that will take maybe some extra thought. No laundry for a week for that mama. So if that means, if you have a washer and dryer set at home, you take over laundry. Or if you don't want to do that, you're like, oh no, we got too much laundry. Take your laundry to the cleaners. Take everybody laundry to the cleaners. They have a lot of companies and services where someone will actually pick up your laundry. They will wash it, fold it, and bring it back, and also sort it if you wanted that to happen. Or if they don't sort, maybe you sort the laundry like kids versus your laundry versus mama laundry. And then just tell them, hey, can you keep these clothes like this? They're already sorted. You don't have to sort it. So no laundry for a week. 4 and 5 are big. If you can get this done, you did your thing. Now, the bonus item. So let's go over the first 5. Number 1 was a gift card or money for a mani and a pedi. Number 2, a gift card or funds for a facial and a massage. Number 3, a nice perfume or parfum, something high end. If you don't want to go high end, if that's not in the budget, you can always do just a nice scent. They sell perfume just about everywhere. Look and see what's popular or what smells good. Or again, look and see what she already has in her collection. Number 4, no cook dinner for a week. That means you take over those cooking responsibilities for mama. Number 5, no laundry for a week, whatever that looks like for you. If you do all the laundry at home, if you don't want to do that, if you find a cleaners or if you find a pickup or drop off service where you take that laundry, they wash, fold, bring your clothes back. I don't know how long it takes, so you may have to do it a few times throughout the week so you guys actually have clothes to wear. So you definitely want to do that. Oh, my phone went out. So you definitely want to do that. And then the bonus, this is a big one. I think every mama wants this, a hair appointment with the works. So the works includes getting your hair cut or trim, dyed, highlighted, whatever you want, straighten. If she want braids, get ask what kind of braids she like. Does she want faux locks, um, Fulani twists? Now I can't think of what they call them something else. Now I can't think. But whatever the braids may be, micros, individuals, whatever she wants, go ahead and get that taken care of. So if you can do all 5, you're doing good. That's going to be a happy mama. If you can only do one, no problem. If you can do multiple off the list, that's even better. So this episode was really for gifts that gifts that mamas will be getting this season. So just send this to your partner, your siblings, your mama, or whoever it may be, and let them know, hey, these are some great gift ideas. I would love to have some of these in there within your reach, and that's something that you are able to get done for mama. So remember that me time is essential, and it is never selfish. So have a great holiday, mama.